The all-new Videum Iris ADC, easy as 1, 2, 3. Your Videum Iris ADC comes with wet grinder base assembly, 2-liter wet grinder drum, and the 2-liter stainless steel multi-chef. Your multi-chef function: thin slicing, thick slicing, grating, coconut scraping, atta kneading, and citrus juicing. Be careful while fixing, removing, and cleaning blades, as they are very sharp. The coconut scraper too requires attention while handling. Do not insert your finger into the feeder while running. How to use your thin slicer, thick slicer, and grater. Slot blade into the blade holder. Press down on both sides to lock. Place the blade holder onto the shaft and ensure it falls freely and rests on the shaft. Place the lid on the bowl. Turn the lid clockwise till it locks and align feeder to handle. Place bowl on body. Turn clockwise till it locks. To remove the blades after use, press down on both sides from the rear. Thick slicing, thin slicing, and grating of large vegetables: potato, plantain, yam, cucumber, tomato, onion, beetroot, brinjal, and bitter gourd. Align the big pusher to the slot-on feeder. Cut vegetables to a size which will fit into the feeder. Place it into the feeder. Switch it on. Push down gently. Thick slicing, thin slicing, and grating of small vegetables. Cut vegetables to a size which will fit into the big pusher. Place the big pusher into the feeder. Put vegetables in the round hole of the big feeder. Switch on. Push down gently with the small pusher.
Salads in seconds. Bhaji in a jiffy. A flurry of curries. Crispy thin chips. All this and more using your thick and thin slicers. Great for your raitas, halwas and curries? No worries.
Caution: do not insert small pusher directly into the feeder. Atta kneading, maida, oats, millets, multigrain, gram flour. Place kneader on adapter and turn clockwise to lock. Coat sides of bowl, adapter, and atta kneader with a few drops of oil. Place adapter onto the shaft and ensure it falls freely and rests at the bottom of the shaft. Maximum quantity: 300 grams flour, 265 ml of water. Minimum quantity: 100 grams flour, 75 ml water. Pour the recommended quantity of flour using the measuring cup and salt into the bowl. Place bowl on the body. Turn clockwise till it locks and ensure handle is facing forward. Switch on. Pour recommended quantity of water into bowl using the measuring cup while the grinder is running. Run until the dough forms into a ball.
Want to make some bread instead? Not just that, make soft chapatis, yummy parathas, pizza base, and much more. Using the multi-chef will never be a bore.
Coconut scraping. Place the adapter on the shaft. Place coconut scraper on the adapter. Place the bowl on the body. Turn clockwise till it locks and ensure that the handle is facing forward. Cut the coconut in 2 halves. Switch on. Place the coconut firmly and press gently over the coconut scraper till the coconut is completely scraped. Citrus juicing, sweet lime, orange, lemon. Place the adapter on the shaft. Place the filter on the adapter. Place citrus juicer on the adapter. Place bowl on the body. Turn clockwise till it locks and ensure the handle is facing forward. Cut the citrus fruit in 2 halves. Switch on. Hold the fruit firmly and press gently over the citrus juicer to extract the juice. Care and maintenance of ADC. Disassemble the pushes, PC lid, adapter, Atar kneader, citrus juicer, slicing blade, coconut scraper, and blade holder. Clean in warm water and dry immediately. Do not use abrasive materials for cleaning. Wet grinding, quick guide. Minimum soaking time of the ingredients is 4 hours. Tighten spring properly before use. First, pour water 600 ml for 1 kg of rice, 500 ml for 200 grams of dal. Pour in soaked rice or dal slowly, a little at a time, while the grinder is running. The maximum capacity for rice is 1 kg and dal is 200 grams. Do not overload the grinder. Usage instructions. Wash the roller and drum before use. Place the drum on the grinder. Place the roller on the drum. Fix the spring and tighten properly in a clockwise direction. Pour adequate water inside the drum. Switch on the grinder. Pour the soaked rice or dal slowly, a little at a time. Scoop the ingredient onto the roller using a spatula. Switch off the grinder when the batter is ready. Remove the spring from the grinder shaft. Remove the roller from the drum. Remove the drum from the grinder. Transfer the batter from the drum into a container. Wash the roller and drum after use. Store the spring safely after use. Caution! Do not run the grinder without load. Do not touch moving parts while the grinder is running. Do not pour water over the top cover of the grinder. Use a damp cloth for cleaning. Vedium Iris ADC, your all-day companion.